ever wanted to buy a house? What do you think? Is it a question worth asking? How about, should I buy a house? Or can I afford to buy a house? If you're questioning yourself, then you should definitely watch this video because it talks about the 80s Hitmaker's Connecticut home being listed for $5.5 million. Of course, it's not too late yet to purchase your own beautiful house and make your dream come true. There's a lot of questions that our friend is likely wondering. Buying a house can be a very exciting and daunting process. We want to make sure that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. We can help you find the perfect house for your needs and budget. We also have years of experience in the real estate industry, so we can provide you with sound advice. Luckily for you, TTP member, this is a video that discusses the celebrity and his home. We've created a video that will show you some of the features of the homes we've found. In addition, we'll provide you with an answer to any questions you may have. So, if you're looking to buy a home, please watch our video and let us know if there's anything we can do to help. Our team of experts knows the ins and outs of the housing market and can guide you to the best option for your needs. We can provide you with a variety of information and resources so that you can make an informed decision. But before diving in, let's first know who's the 80s hitmaker we're talking about. American record producer, composer, and lyricist James Richard Jim Steinman wrote the lyrics to several popular songs. He has also had positions as a pianist, singer, and arranger. Songs in the adult contemporary, rock and roll, dance, pop, musical theater, and film score genres are among his compositions. His work includes producing albums for Bonnie Tyler and Meat Loaf, as well as the albums Bat Out of Hell and Bat Out of Hell 2, Back into Hell by Meat Loaf. Among his most popular chart singles are Bonnie Tyler's Total Eclipse of the Heart, Air Supply's Making Love Out of Nothing at All, Meat Loaf's I'd Do Anything for Love, But I Won't Do That, Barry Manilow's Read 'Em and Weep, Celine Dion's rendition of It's All Coming Back to Me Now, which was originally made famous by Steinman's project Pandora's in 1981. He issued the album Bad for Good under his own name. Steinman provided the musical score for an Amherst College production of Bertolt Brecht's A Man's a Man in March 1968. He oversaw the direction of Michael McClure's The Beard in May 1968 in Amherst. He contributed music to a version of Brecht's Baal's performance by the Island Theater Workshop on Martha's Vineyard during the summer of 1968. Jim wrote the book, music, and lyrics for The Dream Engine in April 1969, a musical that served as the basis for an independent study course while a senior at Amherst College in Massachusetts. Steinman and Barry Keating, a buddy from college, collaborated on the music and storyline for the 1972 musical Rheingold, which was based on Das Rheingold by Richard Wagner. In the same year, Keating's production of Brecht's Good Woman of Szechuan had music by Steinman. The song Happy Ending by Steinman, performed by Yvonne Elliman, was included on the album Food of Love in 1973. This was Steinman's first commercially released recording of a song. Steinman composed the music and lyrics for the musical More Than You Deserve in the same year. Marvin Lee Aday, better known by his stage name Meat Loaf, was one of the actors hired for this play. Steinman later worked with him. Meat Loaf would subsequently record More Than You Deserve, a song from this performance for the Dead Ringer album. Steinman's musical Bat Out of Hell made its world premiere at the Manchester Opera House in Manchester, England in February 2017 after having a developmental lab there in 2015. This was followed by performances in London, Toronto, and New York. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, more touring is anticipated to resume but is currently on pause. Moving on, the 80s hitmaker's Connecticut home is listed for $5.5 million. The list price is $5,555,569, and there's a backstory behind that figure. We knew the cost of the house's construction, but we had no idea how much the contents are worth. The number 555 is a powerful one, and we wanted to come up with something that would be appealing. It stands for new beginnings, according to Ancona. Jim was a proud member of the Amherst College class of 1969. Therefore, his creative assistant requested if we could include a 69 in the number. As a result, we came up with $5,555,569. The Steinman Foundation and its charitable endeavors will benefit from the sales proceeds. In 1993, Steinman acquired the 1.56-acre land and the 1920s cottage that were on it. And then he started a massive enlargement project that would eventually cost at least $6 million. The end result is a 6,183 square foot, primarily one-story home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and lots of open space for creativity. You simply feel as though you are in another world. How transformational and ethereal this mansion is really hard to put into words, according to Ancona. I have no other way to put it but to say it feels extremely heavenly. Numerous rooms in the house have names given to them by Steinman. The large room was his studio where all these individuals gathered and collaborated with him. However, he also had a room that was often referred to as the living room, which he referred to as the good room, because if the other room was a great room, this was the excellent room, she adds. Ancona believes that a creative person who wishes to surround themselves with Steinman's legacy would make the ideal buyer. In addition to the house, we are also selling the contents, which include all of his artwork and a well-collected collection. In fact, I've never handled a sale when everything is included, right down to the clothing in the closet, according to Ancona. The chance to purchase Jim's piano, the gold records in the house, the jackets he wore to award shows, and his devoted admirers from all around the world is available, all because of how well-liked and adored he was. The listing agent of this sale is Laura Ancona of William Pitt Sotheby's International Realty. Anyone who is familiar with her will recognize her unwavering commitment to professionalism, industry knowledge, and client service. She vowed to meet all of your real estate needs with an unusual level of zeal, innovation, and passion because she has the highest expectations for herself. You will profit from her strong financial background and keen analytical skills in pricing, negotiating, and providing the necessary attention to detail from start to finish as a top-producing buyer and seller specialist for almost 2 decades, and with 17 years of prior experience as a certified public accountant. Her smart marketing solutions give sellers the broadest advertising platform possible, which helps them get the best price in the quickest amount of time. She brings the same trustworthiness, dependability, and commitment to her work as a CPA to the real estate industry and to you. Moving forward, let me review again the details of the house for you to keep in mind. When Jim Steinman passed away in April 2021, he not only left behind an unparalleled body of music and theatrical works, but also his cherished Ridgefield, Connecticut home where he lived for almost 30 years. From the moment Jim bought the charming cottage that was once on the site, it was transformed into his private haven where he envisioned and constructed his magnificent house and studio that served as an inspiration for creative expression and joyous partying. In this once-in-a-lifetime auction of Jim's home and carefully maintained possessions which have been left in place, you can purchase the very piano on which he composed while working with internationally renowned artists and musicians. The setting for his life and work, Jim takes tremendous delight in every item you will see in his home. The next caretaker will be thrilled to discover that Jim's home and art will inspire, elevate, and transform. And they will be happy to receive this tangible body of work as a tribute to Jim's legacy from the estate. In order to bring his idea to life, Jim hired renowned New England architect Rob Bramhall. Jim spent almost $6 million on just the structure, and his precious divine collections are priceless. The objective is to respect Jim's legacy by preserving his sanctuary, even though it is thought that the total value of the individual parts of this offering is significantly higher than the starting price. $5,555,569 million worth of offers are available. If you want to invest in this house, now is the time to do it. The market is still strong and there are many houses available for sale. You can find your dream home by looking online or calling a real estate agent. If you're interested in purchasing a property, make sure to get pre-approved by your lender. This will help you determine how much money you need to invest and avoid any delays in the process. The market market is still stable and prices are still low, you can also invest in a property that's in a good location. If you're not sure what you want, you can hire a real estate agent to help you find the perfect home. Buying a home is an important decision that you will never regret. We understand that and want to help you make the best decision for your needs. That is why we offer our services as a home buying advisor. We can provide you with information on different types of homes and help you find the right one for you. We can also help you negotiate prices and terms and connect you with local professionals who can help with the entire process. So, if you're interested in buying a home, we are here to help. We hope that our video has helped you find a home. We have spent a lot of time and effort creating it, and we want you to be able to find the perfect one. We would also love to hear your feedback, so please leave a comment below or on the video. We want to make sure that you have the best experience possible when looking for a new place to live, and we'll continue to offer quality videos in the future. That's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take actions that you'll start to see results. See you soon!